Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to make money with Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. There are many ways to make money with Shopify. You can sell all sorts of goods and services, clothing, consulting, art, and so much more. But the first thing you should know before you set up your Shopify store is that there are several different ways to monetize the platform. And the first way to earn money with Shopify is start an e-commerce store. One of Shopify's best features is its ability for users to set up an online store quickly and easily. You can sell nearly anything, whether that's something you have made, something you are reselling, or a service you provide. Shopify has an easy platform for you to add items, curate them, and have your customers easily check out. And another option to make money with Shopify is set up a dropshipping business. Dropshipping has turned into an online selling phenomenon in recent years. Instead of purchasing and storing inventory yourself, dropshipping allows business owners to outsource the fulfillment and shipping of orders made through their site. This takes out some of the more onerous aspects of selling merchandise, as you don't have to worry about finding warehouse space or losing money on unsold inventory. And another option is become affiliate. Making money on Shopify doesn't even require you to sell anything at all. In some cases, the Shopify affiliate marketing program lets you earn money per successful referral made from your account to the Shopify platform. The more sellers you are able to bring into the fold for Shopify's platform, the more you will earn. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.